Iran has got hit hard. These are the words of American President Donald Trump talking about Israeli strikes on Iran. And Iran really got hit hard. Now, Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Khamenei has promised revenge. He says that punishment to Israel would be bitter and painful. The question is, why are these two countries fighting? Well, the reason boils down to just one issue, and that is Iran wants nuclear weapons. Now, Iran can't have nuclear weapons for two particular reasons. Reason number one is that most global powers, including USA, including Israel, including Saudi Arabia, they don't want Iran to have nuclear weapons. And reason number two is a legal reason. Iran has signed non-proliferation treaty, and any country who signs non-proliferation treaty cannot develop nuclear weapons in exchange for nuclear technology for civilian purposes. Now, civilian purposes means that you can build nuclear reactors for producing electricity, not weapons. And your nuclear reactors would be under the supervision of International Atomic Energy Agency. Now, Iran has nuclear reactors for electricity, and they are under the supervision of International Atomic Energy Agency. But many years ago, it was found out that Iran was using this as a guise to secretly develop nuclear weapons. And once this news broke out, America put Iran under economic sanctions, terrible economic sanctions which crippled Iran's economy. Now, Iran has been wanting to lift these economic sanctions so that its economy can flourish. But USA says that if you lift or if you suspend your nuclear program, only then we will lift those sanctions. Now, there is a deal that is being negotiated between Iran and USA. But in the meanwhile, news came out that Iran is still building nuclear weapons secretly. And this news came out from none other than International Atomic Energy Agency. Similarly, Israeli intelligence officials, Mossad, they also confirmed that Iran is secretly building nuclear weapons and it is just months away from building nuclear weapons. Now, Israel considers nuclear Iran an existential threat, because many politicians and military leaders of Iran have said that they are developing nuclear weapons to wipe Israel off the face of the map. So Israel considers it an existential threat. And when the news broke out that Iran is just months away from developing a nuclear weapon, well, Israel hit back. That is why Israel is calling it preemptive strikes. Israel hit military installations, nuclear scientists, military top commanders. Again, the reason is Iran shouldn't be allowed to build nuclear weapons. Now this conflict has broken out and it can affect anyone, including India. Let's see what happens.